Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Topic Engine to generate a PhD research topic and validate it against 13 formal criteria. The platform checks UGC compliance, Indian national guidelines, the FINA and SMART frameworks, methodological rigor, institutional fit, and doctoral review requirements. On the home page, first review the criteria and scoring ranges. This gives you a clear picture of how every proposed topic will be assessed. After signing in, select Generate Topics from the menu on the left. In the About You section, complete all 8 fields. Enter your degree or discipline, who or what you want to study and where, the time available, your supervisor's area of work, your research interest, your access to data, your preferred research method, and any condition that must be included or avoided. In this example, the researcher is studying commerce and marketing, with a focus on small retail shop owners in Tier 2 towns of West Bengal. The research interest concerns hesitation to accept UPI payments. The researcher can reach local shopkeepers and is comfortable using both numerical data and interviews. Be specific and realistic, because better inputs produce a more relevant and feasible research topic. Once all the fields are complete, click Generate Topics. The system will now ask a few short questions about your expectations. Choose the likely quality band and the expected level of novelty according to your own judgment. These answers do not change the assessment. They only help you compare your expectation with the final result. Then start the simulation. Topic Engine now validates the proposed topic against 13 criteria. The longer processing stages are shown at a faster speed. During the review, you must confirm 4 practical points that only the researcher can answer. Can you reach the required participants or records? Is ethical clearance required, and has it been obtained? Are you trained in the proposed research methods? And can you manage the time and cost of fieldwork or data collection? Answer each question honestly. If you are uncertain, select I am not sure. The remaining validation will then continue automatically. When validation is complete, one or more proposed research topics will appear. In this example, the generated topic is Perceived Risk, Trust, and UPI Adoption Resistance among Small Retail Shop Owners in Tier 2 West Bengal. The summary displays the composite score, the UGC score, and the Golden Rules score. The overall decision is conditionally acceptable. This means the identified criteria should be addressed before presenting the topic to a doctoral review committee. The detailed report includes the research gap, core question, rationale, conceptual framework, method, sample, ethics, and feasibility. Open each layer to review the weaknesses and recommendations. Do not treat the score as final approval. Revise the title and research design after checking recent literature, institutional regulations, and your supervisor's guidance. This is how Topic Engine can help turn an initial research idea into a structured, review-ready PhD topic. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.